Lucky Charms. Good morning. Today the elves brought Fruit Loops for the kids. Jackson insisted on opening it on his own and it went literally everywhere. That's a good start to the day.
Dancing, oh yeah. What's happening tomorrow?
Birthday and my play.
You're playing nativity? What are you going to be?
Cow. Three camels, 3 cows, 2 owls.
How many songs do you sing in it?
8.
8 songs?
Yeah.
Do you know all the words for all of them?
Yes.
Yeah?
Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel and to another vlog. Today it's a Sunday here, so I thought I would show you what we get up to as a family. And the first thing is that Fraser has a football match and it's his first match back since our second lockdown here in England. So he was really excited to get back and play some football. So nice to get back to a little bit of normality for them. Caleb had a football match yesterday, Fraser's got one today, so it's really nice. But normally we would all go over as a family and watch him play, but it's actually really cold today and the 2 little ones are just loving colouring at the moment, so I might just stay in with them, let them do some colouring, have a hot chocolate and stuff. But I'll see how they go, because sometimes if I feel like they need an outing, we'll just go over and watch the second half of football. So I'll see how they go. But other than that, in this vlog we've got a new game to try and a really cool Christmas gift to show you. I also need to prep for tomorrow because it's actually Fraser's 10th birthday tomorrow, which I can't even believe. And we also might bundle the kids up and go and look at some Christmas lights as well. Just take you along with us, so let's go. So Fraser is back from football now and he had loads of fun, and as soon as he got home he actually had a bath because he was frozen through, but now he's nice and clean and warm, so we wanted to show you something. I've had so many of you guys ask me to show you what I've got the kids for Christmas, but I can't actually make that video because they watch my videos and my vlogs as well, so then they would see what they're getting for Christmas. But we did want to show you one game that would make an amazing Christmas gift. It's so much fun and it's also educational. It's called Osmo. Yeah, there's various different kits that you can get, but we've got the Genius starter kit here. And basically it's an interactive educational game that you can play on the iPad or also a Fire tablet as well. So with this Genius starter kit, we actually got 5 different games and they cover STEM topics. So that is science, technology, engineering and maths. And you actually get these tangible pieces to play with. So they can get really creative with these and be learning, but also having fun. So you get, yeah, number 1s there for all of like the maths games.
Letters for the word games.
That's right, and then you also get little puzzle pieces for the tangram game. But there's also a game that's called Newton, which is like physics related, and Masterpiece as well, which is like more, yeah, and art and stuff. And you also get a little stand for your iPad or Fire tablet to sit on, and then it comes with this really cool little
mirror.
That's it.
And so you put it over the camera, and the camera reflects off the mirror so it can see what you're doing below.
So you can be playing with the pieces in front of the iPad or tablet and it will see what you're doing. So it's very interactive and very cool. Yeah, so there's a word game with over 150 puzzles. There's also a number game, which is a really fun way to learn maths. The tangram game has over 500 puzzles and helps problem solving. And then the Newton game has over 60 levels of fun physics meets problem solving. And And then with the masterpiece game, it's really cool. You can take a picture of anything and then draw it to perfection. So we'll show you how they work. So Caleb is going to demonstrate how you do the tangram game. This one has 500 puzzles, and you get these little puzzle pieces here, and he chooses easy, medium, or hard, and then he basically has to like make the shapes in the same puzzle that's showing, and it will pick up when he puts them in the right place as well. So this one looks like a little swan, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, well done. Look, see, because it's lighting up like you got it.
Yay! Yeah, we did it.
Yay!
We
And
did
look,
it.
it goes away then.
Yes. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. Yeah, and then put the purple triangle there. I remember I did this one. Yay! So I'm gonna try out the masterpiece. Start drawing. Ooh, I'm gonna do food. Ooh.
Oh my gosh. So you just follow the lines? Wow, that's really cool.
Basically telling you what to do.
When we were little, we just had like projectors to project things on, didn't we?
Sure.
And then this just does it for you. You can actually take a picture of anything
No,
That's cool.
and then draw it perfectly. This one, you know, the bouncy one. You too? Shall I press it? Look, and then you say draw. Look. Oh, look! So you can do like his hair.
You get these little like number squares, and then you put it in front of the camera, and you'll get one of these water things. These bubbles. And these bubbles out of water inside. And you have to get all the fish. So, and if you get it to the top, all the water, you win.
Wait, so if you do like 5 plus 1,
It's
then
6.
Wait, but if you do 5 plus 1, will it go?
6.
Will it go 6 and then get the 6s? Ah, so it's like a bubble pop. I get
If you
it.
do 5, look, it will get all the 5s since it's yellow.
That is so cool. Oh my gosh.
And just do 1.
Do you know, when Mummy and Daddy did maths at school in the 80s,
Do you remember
we
that far
had
back?
no technology. Yeah, we're both 80s kids. We had none of this like technology. I can't even really remember using like a calculator that much. It was all like long division and like,
So much more creative and fun.
yeah, this is so much more fun. Like, I think I would have been up for learning maths like this. What's your favourite subject in school, boys?
Maths.
Yeah.
See if we can put the numbers in it like this. This will be so much.
What was yours, Mummy?
English for sure.
No.
Art as well.
Lunch.
Lunch and food technology.
Time.
As you can see, the kids really love playing the Osmo game. It's a great way for them to develop their confidence and a love for engineering, art, maths, and reading as well. So they do various different kits. I think there's 4 in total. We have got the Genius Starter Kit, but they also do a Little Genius Starter Kit. They also have a Creative Kit, and there's also a Coding Kit, which I think you would love because it teaches you like the beginning of coding. So if you want to find out more, I will put a link in the description and you can check it out.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've got
Lunchtime.
a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated.
Yeah, coming. Right, so the boys are just playing some football. You can see the sunset over there. And Jackson is saying, come come on the trampoline. They never want to go on it on their own. They're always like, come on with me. I suppose it's a good workout for me, isn't it? Okay, I'm coming. Oh, I just love watching the sunset out here every night, especially with this moaning in the background. It's beautiful.
14th turn on the trampoline today. Jackson and I are off upstairs. What are we playing, bub?
We're making Mike
Mike Wazowski. You love a bit of Mike Wazowski, don't you? See ya.
Plant those zombies.
Can't go zombies. See you later.
Going to school with...
You're going to school.
Yes.
Have a good day.
Okay, Dad.
Love you. Bye.
Bye, Dad.
So it's about 4:30 now. It's pitch dark outside, so we've come in and we're just making dinner. We're having chicken wraps tonight. So we're having chicken, rocket coriander, hummus, and there is a big football match on tonight between Tottenham and Arsenal. So the boys are Tottenham, so they're really rooting for them, but it's like a big North London derby tonight, so they're gonna watch that. And we're gonna eat dinner as well. And then, yeah, once the boys are in bed, that's when I'm going to set up all the Frasers presents and stuff. Right, so we're all finished dinner now and the boys are just watching the rest of the football. It's nearly done though and Tottenham are winning, so fingers crossed they will. But I was just gonna prepare the peanut immunotherapy. My son has a peanut allergy and he started peanut treatment just a week ago. So you basically, if you didn't see the last vlog, you go into hospital, they try a tiny bit of peanut protein. At the moment we're on 2 milligrams. And then if it goes well, then you come home and you give him that amount every day for 2 weeks, and then you go back and they up it and then you go back, and it carries on for about 2 years, but it could really help with his allergy. So we're really hopeful, but I wanted to show you, this is what the little tablets look like. So it's got like every day on it. So today is Sunday. So you just take out the little tablet and then you open it up and you break it into, it could be yogurt, custard. I'm actually gonna put it into a little Rolo dessert. He really likes it in this because it's such a strong flavor. He can't taste it and it's like a treat. It makes it a bit nicer. But touch wood, so far so good. He's had no reactions and it's going really well. The hardest thing about this whole treatment is that when he eats it, he kind of needs to relax for 2 hours and have some downtime because they found that if you eat it and then you do like exercise or have a football match or even play like a video game that really gets your heart going, it can make you more likely to react. So it's actually quite tricky with an active boy to find 2 hours where they're just gonna chill. But we've just had dinner and we might go and do the Christmas lights thing. So this is a good opportunity, and obviously we're with him all the time when he eats this. So I'm just gonna break this into that and then give it to him. But I will keep updating you on my channel as to how it's going. But yeah, so far so good. And as I said, we're really hopeful. Yeah, so it's just this tiny amount of powder just there. So I'm gonna mix it in and then he'll eat it all up. Sorry about the terrible lighting, but we got a few deliveries today that I thought I would show you. The first one is this little rope wire decoration of Jackson's name. So this is gonna go in his new room. I think it's gonna sit on his bookshelf, and I just thought it was really sweet. I found it on Etsy. And then we also got a few bits from Zara Kids. We got this skateboarding hoodie for Fraser. It says it's rolling time on it. Then we also got some really cute little pajamas. We're really liking the pajamas in there at the moment. So these are for Jackson. They've got loads of little giraffes on them and the matching bottoms. And then we also got these really cute fox pajamas for the 2 older boys. And they're really cozy. We recently got another pair on there and they've like been favoring wearing them. Then we also got these little guitar pajamas for Fraser. Look how big that is. I mean, I think that would fit me. Then we also got Fraser some new trainers from there. It's always Fraser who needs new clothes because all the others get hand-me-downs, and he was in need of some new trainers. Then we also got some tracksuit bottoms for Fraser, some tracksuit tracksuit bottoms for Jaxie with like the pockets on the outside. Then he's got a thing about penguins, so we got him this jumper with a little penguin on it, and then it also says it on the back, Generations Connect Forever Animal Fan. And then also got some these look really tiny, little jeggings for him as well. And that is everything. Okay, so we're off out now to see some beautiful Christmas lights, and Tottenham won as well for Fraser's birthday, didn't they? And we've got Elf on as well. We've got Elf the movie on. So this should be really nice. I'll try and film some lights for you. Oh wow, that is pretty special. They must love Christmas.
And their electricity bill.
I see Santa Claus on the top. Why is it like the baby Jesus?
It's got baby Jesus. Here.
Oh, look at that one.
Jackson, is it good?
Oh wait, can I put this on my story as well?
They're so cool.
That's so
Is that good, that one, Jax? Yeah?
Father lives in a magical place far away.
Whoa, go on.
Wow, that's a good one.
I'm nervous. Leon says New York is pretty different.
I like the song, Jaxie.
We've never been anywhere.
Say Merry Christmas.
New York,
Whoa!
That's pretty. Right, so we're back from the Christmas lights now, and all the boys are in bed, so we have just been setting up for Fraser's birthday. Matt has been loving life building a goal, which is his main present, so I'll show you what we've set up. So for Fraser's birthday, we got him this larger goal. This is the size that he currently plays with, so he can have this in the garden now. And then we've got a few more presents there in the net. And then I just printed this off of Pinterest, which is clues for a birthday scavenger hunt. So I'm just gonna cut them out, and then I've got a few other presents here, which are actually just chocolate and crisps and socks and pants and stuff. So some little presents for him to find around the house before he finds all of this. So I can't wait to see his face in the morning. Right, so I'm just gonna go and set up his scavenger hunt now, but I just cannot believe that he's gonna be 10 years old. Like, it just feels like such a big number, double digits, and yeah, we're just so proud of him. If you're watching this in the future, Fraser, we love you, and we're so proud of the young man that you've become. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go and set it up now. So I think I'll end the vlog here. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.